Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an in-depth exploration of Redtail CRM professionals. Whether you're an advisor, wealth manager, or insurance specialist, understanding the full spectrum of Redtail's capabilities can revolutionize your practice. So let's delve deep into its features and discover how we can elevate your advisory services. Now let's talk about the overview of Redtail CRM. So Redtail CRM is a cloud-based platform specifically designed to streamline client management for financial advisors. So it centralizes all client information, interactions, and activities into a single, easy accessible database. This centralization ensures that advisors have a holistic view of their client relationships, facilitating personalized service and efficient management. By consolidating data, Redtail eliminates the challenges of fragmented information, allowing advisors to focus on building and maintaining strong client relationships. Now, one of the Redtail standout features is its extensive integration ecosystem. So it seamlessly connects with a wide array of financial planning tools. So portfolio management systems and other essential software commonly used in the financial services industry. So this deep integration minimizes redundant data entry and ensures consistency across platforms, enhancing operational efficiency. So, for instance, integrating with financial planning software allows for real-time data synchronization, enabling advisors to provide timely and accurate advice to clients. Now, let's also talk about the automated workflows. So, Redtail's automated workflows are designed to mirror the unique processes of your practice. Advisors can create customized workflows that standardize business procedures, ensuring that each client receives consistent and thorough service. So these workflows can include automated task assignments, reminders, and follow-ups, reducing the likelihood of missed opportunities or overlooked tasks. So by automating routine processes, advisors can allocate more time to strategic activities, ultimately enhancing client satisfaction and business growth. Now let's talk about the mobile accessibility. So in today's fast-paced world, having access to client information on the go is very crucial. So Redtail's mobile application ensures that advisors can access their CRM data anytime and anywhere. So whether you're traveling, attending a conference, or meeting clients offsite, the mobile application provides real-time access to client profiles, calendars, and tasks. So this mobility ensures that you remain connected and responsive, enhancing your ability to provide timely and informed advice. So for the section number 5, which is the two-way data syncing. So Redtail offers true two-way synchronization capabilities with platforms like Office 365, hosted Microsoft Exchange Online, and Google. So this means that any update made in Redtail are reflected in these platforms and vice versa. So such synchronization ensures that your contacts, calendars, and activities are always up to date across all systems, reducing the risk of discrepancies and enhancing productivity. So, for instance, scheduling a meeting in Redtail will automatically update your Google Calendar, ensuring seamless coordination. So, reporting tools. So, Redtail CRM provides expansive standard reports that allow advisors to analyze various aspects of their business. So these reports can cover client demographics, account statuses, and activity histories, and more. So, by leveraging these insights, advisors can identify trends, monitor performance, and make data-driven decisions. So, the ability to generate detailed reports ensures that you have a clear understanding of your practices, health, and can proactively address any areas of concern. Now let's talk about the section number 7, which is the data migration support. So, transitioning to a new CRM can be daunting, but Redtail simplifies this process by offering complementary database imports from nearly every major solutions provider. So, this means that your existing client data can be seamlessly migrated into Redtail without manual entry, ensuring data integrity and minimizing downtime. Such support facilitates a smooth transition, allowing your practice to quickly adapt and benefit from Redtail's features. So, Redtail's opportunity tracker enables advisors to monitor their sales pipeline in real time. So, by tracking potential revenue streams and client opportunities, advisors can prioritize efforts, forecast future income, and identify areas for growth. So, this feature provides a clear visualization of where each opportunity stands in the sales process. So, allowing for strategic planning and targeted actions to convert prospects into clients. So, the Redtail also has event management. So, planning and managing client events, seminars, and campaigns are integral to client engagement. So, Redtail's event management features allow advisors to schedule events, send invitation, track RSVPs, and manage event logistics. By consolidating event planning within the CRM, advisors can ensure that all client interactions are documented and that follow-ups are timely and relevant. So this organized approach enhances client relationships and demonstrates a commitment to proactive communication. So Redtail also has a customizable dashboard. So every financial practice has unique priorities, and Redtail accommodates this by offering customizable dashboard. So advisors can tailor this dashboard to display the most pertinent information, such as upcoming tasks, recent client interactions, or key performance indicators. So this personalization ensures that you have immediate access to the data that matters most, enhancing efficiency and allowing for more focused approach to daily operations. So if you're ready or if you want to get started to transform your practice, you can visit the Redtail's official website to start your free trial today and experience the benefits firsthand. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!